In this one, I'm going to be giving you 4 filmmaking productivity hacks that are guaranteed to just make your life a little bit easier. All right, let's do it. Okay, number 1 is never forget pre-production. I did this for a long time when I first started out filmmaking, neglected doing shot lists, storyboard, scripting, thought fuck it, turn up, it'll be okay. Trust me, do your pre-production, write a script, put your storyboard together, get your shot list together. It will make your life way easier when it comes to actually shooting and editing the video. My current weapon of choice or tool of choice is Milanote for doing pre-production. I'd highly recommend it. It's very user-friendly and easy to get along with for creatives. Okay, next is when you're about to shoot, make sure you do your shoot prep. So what do I mean by this? In my company, Nice Media, we have a system called lay it, check it, prep it. What that means is just before we actually go on a shoot, the day before, we get the gear out, we make sure we have everything that we need, we make sure that it all works, and we pack it all neatly. That way, when we get to a shoot, we can find things more quickly, and it makes us more efficient when we actually do a shoot. Okay, next one, we're talking actually editing your video itself. One thing that every video producer, video editor, video maker, filmmaker, whatever you want to call yourself, should know about is using proxies. A proxy, put simply, is your footage transcoded into a much lower resolution, so when you actually are editing it in an editing platform like Premiere or Final Cut, it's easier on your machine to work with it. It means when you're editing, things aren't going to crash and you'll be able to work through your project faster. So this final one is dealing with feedback when you're dealing with a client. What we used to do is upload a video to Google Drive, send the Google Drive link, and then clients would send back their feedback on email. The problem with that is it's all in non-uniformed manner and it can sometimes be hard to understand what they're actually referring to. What I would recommend doing and what we do is use a platform called Frame.io, which is dead cheap, but it enables you to send a review link to a client and they can pause the video and leave their feedback directly on the video itself. It means the feedback process becomes much more streamlined, much more efficient. The feedback that you put onto the video will be more accurate the first time round, and that means that you have to do less rounds of feedback, making it more efficient so you can work on other projects. All right, that is it for filmmaking productivity hacks for today. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd be really grateful if you leave a like, drop a subscribe on there, drop a little comment in there. All these things make a massive difference. Until next time, take it easy, and I'll see you later.